Hello my friends, and welcome to MB Shoedoc Review Series, where we will explore the world of quality shoes for men. We will cover general shoe care and knowledge, review the brands you love, and introduce you to brands that you've never heard of. So get yourself ready, and let's dive right into today's unboxing video. Alright, this is my second unboxing from Elegal Shoemaker. So these are made in Vietnam, a lot of handwork done. My first pair was a beautiful hole cut Oxford, but unfortunately it was a little bit too tight. It fit a little bit small, a little snug. And so they were gracious enough to make another pair for me. Ooh, look at these. The same last shape with that beautiful chiseled toe, but in a double Monkstrap. The coloration on these is absolutely beautiful. What a gorgeous shoe. Let's get these out of here. So it is a double Monkstrap. I've got some double Monkstraps in the collection, but I don't have anything with a chisel toe like this. And a lot of mine are Monkstraps with a cap toe. So this is just a little bit unique, quite beautiful. And I love that this little E on the side here, he's doing something a little different for his Elegal. So this is going to be on a lot of the models, just for a little something different. Adds a little flair. I don't think it takes away from the shoe at all, so I think that's a nice, unique touch for his brand. These are Goodyear welted, really nice high stitch density on the uppers as well as on the sole here. Nice fine fudging detail here as well. And flipping this thing over, ooh, look at that nice little kind of fiddleback sole. Now it's kind of subtle, the taper here, and so it's really the kind of the dye work that gives it a sharper fiddleback. But it does have some. There is certainly some taper here to it. Look how trim this waist is. Very narrow. It reminds me of like TLB Artista line. This is probably the most narrow waist on any shoes I have. Maybe a match for TLB. Nice trim heel as well. Looking at that heel block. Really nice stacked leather heel. Quite beautiful there. Wow, I am in love with these. Everything looks great. The insoles, now on my first pair, and I pointed out to him, but the insoles were not trimmed quite perfectly. Now this is not a big deal at all. They were fine, but there's just a little excess on the edges. These look to be trimmed much nicer. You know, looking over these, I don't see any kind of flaws or defects. I love them. The color is phenomenal. The shape is beautiful. Definitely a brand that is up and coming, doing great work. Definitely need to check them out. Their pricing is unbelievable. I forget now offhand, but I think they were in like the $200 range, maybe $250. Unbelievable for such high degree of work and Goodyear welted shoes this beautiful. Absolutely need to check them out. These came with a really nice shine on them already. I'm going to do a tiny bit of a touch up on the toes here, probably mostly just scuffed from shipping, but I think I can mirror that up a touch better. But oof, these are sweet. All right, really just spent like 1 minute touching up the shine on these, and whew, man, I just can't get enough of this patina color. It is perfection. I absolutely love it. What a beautiful shoe. I cannot wait to wear these. So I'll have these on the feet very soon. I can tell instantly it's a little bigger than the last pair. I think the fit should be fine. The other ones were just a little bit kind of short in the toe, just a little bit small. These should be great. I am thrilled. Check out Elegal Shoemaker. There's going to be some big things coming from them. I guarantee it. All right, guys. See you on the next one.